Sa pagnanais namin na dumami yung mga viewers namin, lumaki yung revenue namin, nagawa namin yun, which is, you know, off limits na pala. Siguro i-upload ko to, i-share ko to sa mga sa mga YouTube groups para maliwanagan din sila. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about C2C ad clicking tasks. I know you're familiar with that. I just want to raise awareness by making this video. Is it really okay? Will it help our revenue? We will dig deeper on that. This is not a clickbait. Definitely not a lie. Everything that I'll be saying is purely from my own personal experience. Okay, so nag-aalala ako one time. I was a bit worried because I've been actually checking my revenue constantly, guys. So, kasi sabi ng YouTube, diba, normally it will take 24 to 48 hours or even 72 hours after your video has been posted on your channel. Automatically, you will get an update on your revenue. You will see a revenue update there. But sadly, this didn't happen with my two videos that I uploaded consecutively on February 25th and February 28th. So I had two videos uploaded on those dates up until now, March 9. I haven't received any update from YouTube Analytics for those videos. I have a video uploaded after those videos and it has already a revenue. So how come? So what I did is I reached out to YouTube chat support, because why not, right? It's just one click away now. Their chat support is real time, so you will receive real time messages, real time replies. Nag-chat ako sa kanila and here comes James. He was the one who answered my question, the most awaited reason why my revenue on YouTube fluctuates. Why am I having issues with my revenue? Why is it not updating when in fact I have views real time that's coming in? Okay, so what happened? This James actually cleared every inch of frustrations in my mind. He asked me my channel URL so he could, you know, check it on their together with their internal team. So I immediately sent my channel URL and here's his reply to me after 20 minutes. Hello, thanks for waiting. I really appreciate your patience. Upon doing a deep dive on your channel with our internal team, we've seen that your entire channel experienced a high volume of invalid ad traffic that was filtered out at the end of the month of February till today. That is why you are seeing a discrepancy in your YouTube analytics. We did confirm the invalid traffic was identified or filtered out correctly. Even though invalid traffic is detected, it doesn't mean you intentionally caused it. Also, invalid activity on your channel may affect how your estimated revenue is displayed in YouTube Analytics. Invalid activity is ad views or engagement that typically do not represent genuine user interest or intent. It can include malicious behavior ranging from automated click tools to bot traffic, or even smaller cases like accidental clicks or encouraging others to watch ads on your channel. Please note that YouTube proactively detects invalid activity and takes steps to correct it. If this occurs on your channel, we'll make sure that the estimated revenue you see is accurate as soon as possible. This could take a while to process, so you may see your estimated revenue fluctuate when your finalized earnings are confirmed after the end of the month. In cases of invalid activity, ads are still being shown, but the revenue generated gets refunded back to advertisers. So guys, ito na nga ba yung sinasabi ko? Invalid ad traffic from automated click tools. So guys, yung mga nagsasabi na hindi yan na monitor ni YouTube sa kadami-dami ng mga vloggers na yon at naglipa ng mga aspiring vloggers sa YouTube, wag kayong ganyan, wag kayong magsalita ng ganyan kasi iniisa-isa nila yan. Meron silang intelligent system para matrace yung mga invalid traffic. Kaya yung mga C2C nyo na sinasabi nyo na may VPN kayong ginagamit, naka, wag nyo kung pinagloloko kasi nandyan, nangyari na yan sa akin, nanggaling na ako dyan. So, this is to raise awareness for everyone, okay? Do not get involved in C2C ad clicking task. Sinampal po ako ng katotohanan, no? Na problema pa. Yun naman pala, ako rin naman ang dahilan kung bakit nangyayari yun sa channel ko. Hindi na talaga kami babalik sa C2C. Tsaka yung mga SUB4SUB dyan, SUB2SUB, tigil-tigilan nyo na yan, magbago na kayo, wala ring mangyayari. Mas mabuti pa, create na lang kayo ng content, 'di ba? Tsaka i-ano nyo na lang, i-market nyo na lang sa Facebook nyo. Wag na kayong magsayang ng oras dun sa mga SUB4SUB na yan, WATCH2WATCH nyo. Hindi rin yan makakount. Tsaka wag nyo ring i-encourage yung mga kaibigan nyo or kapamilya nyo na manood ng videos nyo tapos wag skip ang ads. Hindi rin yan mag-count. Automatic na rin yan sa invalid ad traffic. So, wala rin mangyayari. Diba? So, importante talaga yung genuine at organic na panonood sa YouTube. Sa pagnanais namin na dumami yung mga viewers namin, lumaki yung revenue namin, nagawa namin yun, which is, off limits na pala. And from now on, titigil na kami. So, sana kayo rin guys, this is to raise awareness to everyone who's actually doing this up until now. So, tigilan nyo na, okay? Huwag nyo na ipagpatuloy yan. Nag-aaksaya lang kayo ng panahon, oras at pera nyo. Okay? Siguro i-upload ko to, i-share ko to sa mga sa mga YouTube groups para maliwanagan din sila. Okay? Thank you so much guys for watching.